Let's start with the question. Could not connect to the TV. Please make sure that you are using the AC adapter supplied with this console. My friend left the adapter for her Nintendo Switch at a friend's house. She is still able to charge the console and play it in handheld mode. Yet, she is unable to connect it to her TV. It seems that, being that she can successfully charge her Switch, she should be able to connect it to her TV. Given the HDMI cable provided by Nintendo, why can't she connect it to her TV? So how can we solve this? There's one possible answer. Answer 1. Because charging mode requires 5 volts, 1. 5A, and dock mode requires 15 volts, 2. 6A. Most USB-C chargers, including Apple's MacBook Pro chargers, may be powerful enough to supply enough watts, but doesn't meet the dual voltage requirements. Nintendo is not following USB-C spec anyway, so have to spend $15 or so on an adapter that is specifically made for this purpose. I hope this answer helped, and if it did, please drop a comment and subscribe.